Okay, so we are going to pair this PS4 controller with my Chromecast, which is the new Chromecast with Google TV. You'll recognise this. So what we need to do, first thing we need to go up to our settings. So you can either go to the top and work your way right along there to your settings, or here's a real quick way to do it. So if you say you're right down here somewhere, if you hold down the home button, boom, you're actually there. So if you go to settings and then scroll down to remote and accessories, okay, and then if we get this bad boy, if we actually hold down the PlayStation button and the share button, this is the share button, can you see the share button? So hold down that, and then the light will start flashing. There it is. Now, I don't know if you can see that pair remote and accessories. Just click and it'll start searching, and it's actually found it already. See, up here, I've actually found this remote control already. So all we do is click and it'll say pairing. Watch. Pairing in a minute, and it says, do you want to pair it? Yes, we do. Just click again with this, and there you go. You're actually paired. For that blue light, we're all done, and you can actually see it on screen there. Wireless controller. So we go back, or we press the home, go right back to the very beginning there, and now we can use this. Or that, or whatever you want to use. We're all paired. That's as easy as that. And there we go.